Hello, how are you doing, guys? Hopefully okay. In this video, as you saw in the title, I will show you how to fix a Valorant error very easy and fast. As it says here, your account does not meet the following requirements in order to play HVCI Enabled. There are many methods to fix this problem, but I will show you the easiest and most effective and useful way that can work always for everyone. All you need to do is go down here and type core isolation. Click on this one, the first one that you see. It's going to take you to this page where you see here core isolation and also memory integrity. This is the one that we're looking for, this exact button. If it's off, turn it on, and if it's already on, turn it off. That is all you need to do. Very easy, very simple. Check if it worked. If it did not, you can ask me in the comments. I will make sure to reply to all of your comments. And if you think this video was helpful, drop a like. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.